Hello all, welcome back to channel. Let's see what we are having. What dish? See, I'm not giving cd command, but still I'm able to switch. So today we'll learn about a special command which give you to customize your system and do some setting which will help and ease your life. So as you know, when we are doing cd/etc, we are able to switch, but without cd, if I do etc, we're not able to switch. So there's a command which help us to do the setting on a system level. Command is shopt. Okay, what are the options available? We'll do the P to print. Let's see. So here we have print. It's showing auto cd, cd spell, check jobs, and multiple things. But with the help of this, what setting we can do? Like shopt and auto cd. It is showing off. To make it enable, I have to do -s to start. Okay. Now auto cd is started. That means if I do etc, it will take me to etc without giving the sudo. If I do /home, so it's auto cd. No need to type cd. You just type the syntax or the location. etc says config network or script. It will switch you. So it's auto cd. Whenever you want to stop, so shopt -u auto cd. So now if you do /home, it won't work. Okay, so this is the one option, auto cd, we have discovered. There are much more. Then we are having auto cd. After that we are having cd spell. So shopt cd spell. Spell. So it's on by default. Okay, so what is this? We'll do ls-l. So I'm in a directory wd. Okay, let me clear my screen. So we'll go to /home, and if you see /home is having this thing, I will go to amit directory. Inside amit directory, you are able to see there are some file directory which is starting with a capital letter. Now ls. So if you want to go cd desktop, okay, this is the command generally we use. But if you are using cd auto spell, so cd desktop, it will take you, because the character uppercase, it will detect auto itself. You can do to other directory also, cd dot. We'll go back ls cd documents. Only thing, auto correction is not working. You have to type the complete thing. But if in case this uppercase and lowercase is not working, so you can use this option. Moreover, we'll create cd dot ls mkdir, and we'll create a directory called small a capital MIT. Let's see it's detecting or not. So cd amit. Yes, I'm able to go inside the directory. Now dot rmdir amit. Okay, then I'll create mkdir ami and capital T. Let's see its verb. cd amit. No such file or directory, because there are two capital letter. It can take only one letter as a capital. Let's see cd amit is not taking because there are two characters. Now what we'll do, rmdir amit, then mkdir ami and capital T, or we'll give continuous I and T. Let's see, cd amit is not working. put capital T, then it will work. Okay, so if only one uppercase is there, so it can correct it. Now we'll go furthermore. ls-l. If you see, I am having two files with the Amit and Amit. Both are same, but this is having uppercase, this is having lowercase. So if I do Amit, so first preference will be given to this file. Okay, see. But if this file is not present, then it will cd to this file. So that's a cd spell. So as you know, it's enable like shopt cd spell, spell. It's showing on. So if I want to stop as -s. If you want to know all the options, so you can use -p to print. It will print all the options. Okay, this make your life easy. Now we'll talk more about the echo command. So now echo iod, this is Amit, it's printing. But if I want iod here and this is Amit should be get printed, the next line is not printing. Okay, so to enable that thing, we are in spot show, then p, and we'll grab echo echo. So this setting to update this. Okay, so we'll see what the current status of xpg echo shopt is off. To start it, -s. Okay, now if you run this command, it will show like this /n, and whatever option you give. If you give tab, it will take tab also. If you want to give vertical tab, it will take vertical tab also. But it is happening due to this option. If you update it to stop, we'll see stop run out. Yes, is off now. This command will not work in that manner which is working for. Then we are having one more setting called history verify, shopt, pipe grab is okay. Then this is called history verify. By default it's showing on because I have tested, but shopt, let me stop this first and tell you. Okay, it's off now. Correct. So this is the default setting. If you run history command, we'll able to see, hello, this is Amit, and this command we have ran echo command. So we'll take this one 1176. So generally if you do like this exclamation 1176, whatever command it's there on this number will get printed. Okay, command got printed, you got the output also. But if you enable this option before executing the command, it will ask you the details. Okay, like exclamation 1176, same. So it's printing that command and waiting for my option. Will you press yes? Okay, so before performing that history, it will ask you for the verification. Yes, I want to execute. Moreover, a history like 1175. Okay, exclamation 1175. So it's asking, you want to run? And the benefit of this, I'll tell you. See, in my history, if I've executed init 6, okay, like pipe grab init 0. Oh, sorry, it's not taking. I will tell. Okay, like 245 is the command which I have executed, or 564. If by mistake I do that thing, so it will wait. It will won't execute immediately. Okay, so it will wait. You want to hit the enter key? No, I don't want to restart or shut down. So that is the history verification option. There are much more options available on this shopt-p. If you look, small p, So if you look, there are much more options available. Go check all the things. If you are having any doubt, any query, use the comment box. This is a setting which will help you a lot in your day-to-day routine task and which will make your life easy. So I hope you like this video. Keep learning. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.